super short vlog for today. Wow, look at that here. It's on Savage, if that's a word, I don't know.
I can never get enough, falling for your love. It goes on and on. Chilling, feeling goosebumps, and we're just having fun. We're on the run. Follow where the wind blows. That's where my heart is, and it's taking us higher. We now feel about it. We could start a movie. You do something extraordinary.
Alright, anyway, so I think I'm just gonna go to bed. It's 11 o'clock. I gotta get to bed. Today I got new prescription. You can see because they're like super clean-ish. And I have a headache all day long. And I've been laying on the floor. Finally got that box. I think I vlogged it yesterday. Yeah, I'm kind of behind on vlogs. I'll hopefully get caught up tomorrow. A test tomorrow. Hopefully that goes good. Socks is snoring. Oh, never mind. It's the clock. Anyway, and then on Saturday I have to go get ready for the gathering that we're gonna do, because it's not gonna be like a regular church gathering. It's gonna be like a super special, exciting, yay gathering. It's gonna be so much fun. So I can't wait for that. That'll be fun. I really hope it rains tomorrow, because I want it to rain. I doubt it will, but I hope it does. I just want rain. I like the rain. Hope everything goes good with my glasses. I can see clearly now. The rain has gone. If that's even words, I don't know. But I've been just sleeping all day, partying all night, and trying to get rid of a headache. I've heard that in order to get rid of a headache, you can stick your hands in hot water and your feet in cold, or vice versa, and that'll help. I didn't do that just because I wasn't thinking. I just went to bed, and that seemed to, work, obviously, because I was tired and stuff. So I'm gonna go to bed, because look at how comfy this bed looks. I didn't make it yet this morning, and Mom and I have a theory that when you don't make your bed, it's its comfiest, because it's like already in the right position that it was in when you woke up. And obviously you were comfy there because you didn't want to wake up. So hopefully I get lots of sleep tonight and wake up tomorrow feeling refreshed and excited for today. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Taste and see the Lord is good, His mercy endures forever. Bye-bye, everybody. Oh, and before I leave, Will Smith, I think that's his name. No, that's an artist's name. I don't know. I don't listen to that type of music. But Will, he's a guy who watches our vlogs. If he sends me a reply back, I'll put all of his stuff. He does piano videos and stuff. So maybe we could use some of his stuff if he's okay with that. No pressure, Will. But, yeah, he does covers on YouTube and stuff. So I would love to help him get started and get, off the ground running. Because it's hard to have a YouTube channel and maintain the amount of viewers that you want to watch, you know what I mean? So, anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Taste and see the Lord is good, and His mercy endures forever. Bye-bye.